Hello everyone, in this video let's discuss about how to convert the given hexadecimal number to other formats, that is hexadecimal to decimal, binary and octal. But starting whatever the value they give to convert from hexadecimal or binary or octal, first step is to convert to decimal. If you convert to decimal, then to others you can convert easily. Why I will tell. So first convert hexadecimal value to decimal. Let's consider a hexadecimal value 2d5. So its base is 16. Hexadecimal base is 16. Now I must convert to decimal. Its base is 10. So while discussing about hexadecimal, we must know up to 0 to 9 we will write as it is. If the value is 9, we will write 9. 7 means 7, 6 means 6. If it exceeds 9, that is 10 will be represented as A, 11 will be represented as B, 12 will be represented as C, 13 will be represented as D, 14 will be represented as E, 15 will be represented as F. So total 0 to 15 means total 16. So we are given with 2d5. Now I must convert to decimal. What is the process? The base value of hexadecimal is 16. So start from the right hand side towards the left hand side. 16 power 0, 16 power 1, 16 power 2. Now multiply. 2 into 16 power 2. 2 into 16 power 2 plus D. What is the value of D? D value is 13. So 13 into 16 power 1 plus 5 into 16 power 0. So what will be the value? 2 into 16 power 2, that is 16 square is 256 plus 13 into 16. So 13 into 16 is 208 plus 5 into 16 power 0. Whatever the number having power 0, its value will be 1. 16 power 0 will be 1, 8 power 0 will be 1, 12 power 0 will be 1, like that. So 5 into 1 value will be 5. So now 2 into 256, 512 plus 208 plus 5. So what will be the final value? 725. Its base is 10. So now we converted the hexadecimal value to decimal value. Now let's convert the same hexadecimal value to binary. To convert the same hexadecimal value to binary, first you must convert the hexadecimal value to the decimal value. Then from decimal value you can convert to binary value. Binary value base is 2. So we have converted the hexadecimal to decimal. So I said first convert the value to decimal, then you can proceed further easily. So decimal value is 725. Now I must convert 725 to binary. What is the process? Just divide by the value of the base which you must convert. Now I must convert to binary, so the base is 2. Just divide the decimal number by the base. So 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4. So the remainder is 1. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2. Remainder is 0. 2 9s are 18, 0. So remainder is 1. 2 45s are 90, remainder is 0. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1. 2 11s are 22, remainder is 0. 2 5s are 10, remainder is 1. Next 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1. Next 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0. Further I cannot divide 1 using 2, so I will stop the process right here. So this will be the most significant bit and this will be the least significant bit. So how can we write? Write from most significant bit towards least significant bit. 1 0 1 1 0, 1 0 1 1 0, 1 0 1, 1 0 1 0 1. So this is the conversion of the given hexadecimal value to binary value. Now let's convert the hexadecimal to octal. So to convert hexadecimal to octal, it is of the same process, that is convert the hexadecimal value to decimal value, then convert the decimal value to octal. We have converted the given hexadecimal value to decimal value, that is 725. Now we can convert the decimal value to octal. How to convert? Just divide the decimal value using the base of octal. Base of octal is 8. 8 9s are 72, 0, 5 is the remainder, 8 11s are 88, 2 is the remainder, 8 1s are 8, 3 is the remainder. Further I cannot divide 1 using 8, so I will stop the process right here. This will be the most significant bit, this will be the least significant bit. So write from most significant bit towards least significant bit. It will be 1, 3, 2, 5. So this is the octal conversion of the given hexadecimal value. Hope you understood the video. If any doubt, please comment below. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.